Welcome to a journey through the cosmos as seen by one of the greatest minds of our time, Stephen Hawking. Born in 1942, Hawking overcame incredible physical challenges to become a world-renowned theoretical physicist. His curiosity about the universe led him to explore some of the most profound questions about space, time, and existence itself. Today we'll dive into his groundbreaking ideas, his vision of the cosmos, and the legacy he left behind for future generations. Let's begin by getting to know the man behind the theories, whose determination and intellect continue to inspire millions around the globe. Stephen Hawking's fascination with the universe began at a young age. Growing up in post-war England, he was always curious about how things worked, often taking apart clocks and radios just to see what was inside. His family encouraged his love for learning, and he excelled in mathematics and physics. This early curiosity set the stage for his future discoveries. Even as a child, Hawking was captivated by the stars, often gazing up at the night sky and wondering about the mysteries it held. This sense of wonder would become the driving force behind his scientific career. At the age of 21, Hawking was diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease, also known as ALS. Doctors gave him only a few years to live, but Hawking defied the odds. Despite his physical limitations, he continued his studies and research, relying on his brilliant mind and an unbreakable spirit. His perseverance in the face of adversity became a source of inspiration for people everywhere. Rather than giving up, Hawking pushed forward, determined to unlock the secrets of the universe, proving that the power of the mind can overcome even the greatest obstacles. Hawking's work in theoretical physics revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. He focused on the fundamental laws that govern the universe, exploring concepts like black holes, the Big Bang, and the nature of time. His research combined mathematics, physics, and imagination, allowing him to propose ideas that challenged conventional thinking. Through his groundbreaking papers and lectures, Hawking made complex scientific ideas accessible to a wider audience, inspiring countless students and researchers to pursue the mysteries of the universe. One of Hawking's most famous contributions was his work on black holes. He proposed that black holes aren't completely black, but instead emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. This discovery changed the way scientists think about these mysterious cosmic objects. Hawking's theories suggested that black holes could eventually evaporate and disappear, challenging the idea that nothing could escape their gravitational pull. His insights opened up new avenues of research and deepened our understanding of the universe's most extreme environments. Hawking was also a leading figure in the study of the Big Bang, the event that marked the beginning of our universe. He explored how the universe expanded from an infinitely small, hot, and dense point into the vast cosmos we see today. By applying the laws of physics to the earliest moments of time, Hawking helped shape our modern understanding of the universe's origins. His work continues to influence cosmologists and physicists as they search for answers to the biggest questions about where we come from. Time is one of the most mysterious aspects of our universe, and Hawking devoted much of his career to understanding it. He explored questions like, what is time? Does it have a beginning or an end? Can it flow backward? Hawking's research suggested that time, like space, is shaped by the universe's structure and the laws of physics. His ideas challenged our everyday perceptions and encouraged us to think more deeply about the nature of reality. In 1988, Hawking published his best-selling book, A Brief History of Time. This groundbreaking work brought complex scientific ideas to the general public, making topics like black holes, the Big Bang, and the nature of the universe accessible to everyone. The book became an international phenomenon, selling millions of copies and inspiring people of all ages to look up at the stars and wonder about our place in the cosmos. Hawking's ability to communicate science in an engaging way set a new standard for popular science writing. Hawking was not just a scientist, he was also a passionate communicator. He appeared in documentaries, gave public lectures, and even made cameo appearances on popular TV shows. Through these efforts, he brought science into the mainstream, encouraging people from all walks of life to engage with the wonders of the universe. His sense of humor and approachable style made him a beloved figure, proving that science can be both profound and fun. One of Hawking's most significant discoveries was the theoretical prediction of Hawking radiation. This phenomenon describes how black holes can emit particles and gradually lose mass over time. Before this, black holes were thought to be completely dark, but Hawking's insight showed that they are more dynamic and complex. This idea has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and continues to be a major topic of research in theoretical physics. Hawking's work often bridged the gap between quantum mechanics and general relativity, two of the most important theories in physics. He explored how the strange rules of the quantum world interact with the massive scales of the cosmos. This intersection is where some of the universe's biggest mysteries lie, and Hawking's research helped pave the way for new discoveries. His ability to connect these complex ideas made him a pioneer in modern physics. General relativity, Einstein's groundbreaking theory, describes how gravity shapes the universe. Hawking built on this foundation, using the equations of general relativity to explore black holes, the Big Bang, and the fabric of spacetime. His work helped clarify how massive objects like stars and galaxies influence the structure of the cosmos. By combining relativity with quantum theory, Hawking opened up new possibilities for understanding the universe's deepest secret. Singularity is a point in space where the laws of physics break down, such as at the center of a black hole or at the very beginning of the universe. Hawking's research into singularities helped scientists understand these extreme environments. He showed that singularities are not just mathematical curiosities, but real features of our universe. This work has important implications for cosmology and the search for a unified theory of physics. Hawking, along with James Hartle, proposed the no-boundary condition, a revolutionary idea about the origins of the universe. According to this theory, the universe doesn't have a boundary or edge in time or space. Instead, time behaves like another dimension of space at the very beginning. This concept challenges our everyday understanding and suggests that the universe could have spontaneously emerged from nothing, governed by the laws of quantum physics. Explain the origins of the universe, Hawking introduced the concept of imaginary time. Unlike the time we experience, imaginary time is a mathematical tool that helps describe the universe's earliest moments. This idea allows scientists to avoid the problem of a singular beginning and instead describe a smooth, finite universe with no boundaries. Imaginary time is a challenging concept, but it has become an important part of modern cosmology. Hawking explored the concept of the arrow of time, which describes why time seems to move in one direction from past to future. He connected this idea to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that disorder or entropy always increases. This connection helps explain why we remember the past but not the future, and why the universe evolves the way it does. Hawking's insights into the arrow of time have influenced both physics and philosophy. One of the biggest puzzles Hawking tackled was the black hole information paradox. According to quantum theory, information cannot be destroyed, but black holes seem to erase everything that falls into them. Hawking's work on this paradox sparked intense debate among physicists and led to new ideas about how information might be preserved, even in the most extreme environments. This ongoing mystery remains one of the most fascinating topics in modern physics. Hawking's ultimate goal was to find a unified theory that could explain all the forces of nature. He worked tirelessly to bridge the gap between general relativity and quantum mechanics, searching for a single framework that could describe everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. While this quest continues, Hawking's contributions have brought us closer to understanding the fundamental laws that govern the universe. Hawking was open to the idea that our universe might be just one of many. The multiverse theory suggests that there could be countless other universes, each with its own laws of physics. While this idea remains speculative, it has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Hawking's willingness to explore bold new concepts helped push the boundaries of what we consider possible. Cosmic inflation is the theory that the universe underwent a rapid expansion in its earliest moments. Hawking contributed to our understanding of this process, which helps explain why the universe appears so uniform on large scales. By studying inflation, scientists can learn more about the conditions that shape the cosmos and the forces that drove its evolution. Hawking's insights continue to guide research in this exciting field. What will happen to the universe in the distant future? Hawking explored several possibilities, including continued expansion, eventual collapse, or a slow fade into darkness. His research into black holes and cosmic evolution has helped shape our understanding of the universe's ultimate fate. While many questions remain, Hawking's work provides a foundation for future discoveries about the destiny of the cosmos. Hawking was fascinated by the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. He believed that, given the vast number of stars and planets, it's likely that life exists beyond Earth. Hawking encouraged the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and warned that contact with advanced civilizations could be risky. His thoughts on life beyond our planet continue to inspire scientists and spark the imagination of people everywhere. Hawking often spoke about the future of humanity. He believed that our survival depends on exploring and eventually colonizing other planets. According to Hawking, spreading out into space is the best way to ensure the long-term survival of our species. His vision has inspired new generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to look beyond Earth and imagine a future among the stars. Despite his physical limitations, Hawking embraced technology to communicate and continue his work. He used a computerized speech system to share his ideas with the world, demonstrating how innovation can empower people to overcome challenges. Hawking's use of technology not only changed his life but also inspired advances in assistive devices for others facing similar obstacles. Throughout his career, Hawking worked with many other scientists, sharing ideas and collaborating on groundbreaking research. He was also a mentor to countless students, encouraging them to pursue their own questions about the universe. Hawking's generosity and willingness to share knowledge helped create a vibrant scientific community and ensured that his legacy would live on through the work of others. Hawking received numerous awards and honors for his contributions to science, including the prestigious Lucasian Professorship at Cambridge University. His achievements were recognized around the world, and he became a symbol of human curiosity and perseverance. These honors reflect not only his scientific accomplishments but also his impact on society as a whole. Hawking believed that science should be accessible to everyone. He dedicated much of his life to public engagement, giving lectures, writing books, and participating in media events. His efforts helped break down barriers between scientists and the public, making complex ideas understandable and exciting for people of all backgrounds. Despite the seriousness of his work, Hawking was known for his sharp wit and sense of humor. He often used humor to connect with audiences and make science more approachable. Whether appearing on TV shows or making jokes during lectures, Hawking's playful spirit helped break down stereotypes about scientists and made him a beloved figure around the world. Hawking's influence extended beyond the world of science. He appeared in TV shows like The Simpsons and Star Trek, becoming a pop culture icon. These appearances helped introduce scientific ideas to new audiences and showed that science can be fun and engaging. Hawking's presence in popular culture continues to inspire curiosity and creativity. Hawking was a passionate advocate for science and education. He spoke out about the importance of scientific research and the need for society to invest in knowledge and discovery. Hawking believed that science holds the key to solving many of humanity's greatest challenges, from disease to climate change. His advocacy continues to inspire scientists and policymakers around the world. Hawking's life was a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity. Despite his diagnosis, he lived for more than 50 years after being told he had only a few years left. Hawking's resilience and determination inspired people facing their own challenges, showing that it's possible to achieve greatness in the face of overwhelming odds. Behind the public figure was a devoted family man. Hawking was married twice and had 3 children. His family supported him throughout his career, providing love and encouragement during difficult times. Hawking's personal life was marked by both joy and hardship, but his relationships gave him strength and motivation to continue his work. Hawking's impact on education is immeasurable. His books, lectures, and public appearances have inspired generations of students to pursue science and ask big questions about the universe. Schools and universities around the world use his work to teach complex concepts in physics and cosmology. Hawking's legacy lives on in the minds of those he inspired to seek knowledge. Hawking's life and work have been the subject of numerous documentaries and films, including the acclaimed movie The Theory of Everything. These portrayals have brought his story to a wider audience, highlighting his achievements and the challenges he faced. Through film and media, Hawking's legacy continues to reach new generations. In addition to his scientific works, Hawking wrote books for children and young adults, such as George's Secret Key to the Universe. These books introduce young readers to the wonders of science and encourage them to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Hawking's ability to communicate with audiences of all ages helped foster a love of learning around the world. Hawking's story has inspired countless young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. His example shows that anyone, regardless of their circumstances, can make a difference in the world. By sharing his passion for discovery, Hawking has helped shape the next generation of innovators and explorers. Hawking was known for his memorable quotes, which continue to inspire and motivate people today. Phrases like "look up at the stars and not down at your feet," and "however difficult life may seem, there's always something you can do and succeed at" capture his optimistic outlook and belief in the power of human potential. These words remind us to stay curious and never give up. Hawking's influence extends far beyond the scientific community. His ideas have shaped public understanding of the universe and inspired people from all walks of life. Hawking's legacy is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and the human spirit. His work continues to inspire new generations to explore the unknown. Stephen Hawking passed away in 2018, but his legacy lives on. Scientists, students, and admirers around the world continue to celebrate his life and work. Memorials, tributes, and ongoing research ensure that Hawking's contributions will never be forgotten. His story reminds us of the importance of curiosity, courage, and the pursuit of knowledge. Search for answers to the universe's biggest questions continues. Inspired by Hawking's work, scientists around the world are pushing the boundaries of knowledge, exploring new frontiers in physics and cosmology. The quest to understand the cosmos is ongoing, and Hawking's legacy serves as a guiding light for all who seek to unravel the mysteries of existence. Stephen Hawking's life teaches us many valuable lessons: the importance of perseverance, the power of curiosity, and the value of sharing knowledge. His story encourages us to face challenges with courage and to never stop asking questions. Hawking's legacy is a reminder that the pursuit of understanding is one of humanity's greatest adventures. Hawking often spoke about the importance of imagination in science. He believed that creativity is just as important as knowledge when it comes to making discoveries. By encouraging others to dream big and think outside the box, Hawking helped foster a culture of innovation and exploration that continues to drive scientific progress. Hawking's work reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, there is always more to discover. His legacy encourages us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose our sense of wonder. The universe is vast, and our journey to understand it has only just begun. Curiosity was at the heart of everything Hawking did. He believed that asking questions and seeking answers is what drives progress and discovery. By celebrating curiosity, we honor Hawking's legacy and continue the quest to unlock the secrets of the universe. Let's keep exploring, learning, and imagining what's possible. Stephen Hawking's universe is one of wonder, discovery, and endless possibility. His life and work have changed the way we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. As we look to the future, Hawking's legacy will continue to inspire generations to dream, explore, and reach for the stars. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hawking's universe.